Quick takeoff. One click to drop. Non-destructive installation under the cover of dock. Dropbox stored under the cover without reducing flight time. When conducting emergency response mission, it only takes 5 seconds to complete auto installation. Supported goods in the Dropbox. Directly operate on DJI Flight Hub 2 or third-party platform. Deploying near the water. When someone falling into the water, drone immediately takes off carrying the lifebuoy inside. Drop the lifebuoy with one-click operation remotely. After touching the water, the lifebuoy automatically inflates within 3/5. When someone trapped in a mountain or uninhabited area, where the rescue team can't arrive and rescue immediately, the drone can quickly drop the emergency kit, which promptly helps treat the injuries, starvation, hypothermia, etc. Dropbox can be carried together with speaker and spotlight. Having the same IP level with drone, it can operate in any condition. Additionally, the Dropbox also supports FUNZIONI